To add funds in Webull, start by logging into your Webull account on the mobile app or website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the deposit icon, which is usually represented by a plus sign or the word deposit. You will then be directed to the deposit page where you can choose your preferred deposit method, such as ACH transfer, wire transfer, or mobile deposit. For ACH transfer, you will need to link your bank account to Webull by providing your bank account and routing numbers. After selecting your deposit method, enter the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. For ACH transfers, the funds will typically be available in your Webull account within 1 to 3 business days. It is essential to note that Webull does not charge any fees for ACH deposits, but your bank may charge a fee for the transfer. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount you can deposit, so it is crucial to check the Webull website for the most up-to-date information on deposit limits. To ensure a smooth deposit process, make sure your bank account is eligible for ACH transfers and that you have sufficient funds in your account. It is also a good idea to review Webull's deposit terms and conditions before initiating a deposit. By following these steps, you can easily add funds to your Webull account and start trading. Remember to always review your account activity and deposit history to ensure that your transactions are accurate and secure. Webull provides a user-friendly platform for managing your investments, and adding funds is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes.